Most healthcare professionals are about to hit a wall. Diet plans, workout routines, even basic health guidance. AI can explain almost every medical topic instantly. So, if you are still posting content and hoping it turns into income, there's a problem. Because information is becoming free, and that means you are not competing on knowledge anymore, you are competing in a space where knowledge is everywhere. What actually creates value now is structure, guidance, and trust over time. And that's exactly what a well-built community gives you. Not just followers, but members. Not just content, but a system. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to turn your expertise into a private healthcare community with structured Paywall courses, built entirely on your own platform using FluentCommunity and FluentCart. Before we touch anything, let's quickly understand what we are actually building here. I like to call this the circle of care model. It's a simple structure, but it's powerful. We'll create a public space for sharing free health tips and building trust, and call that the Wellness Hub. Then a private paywall space for your actual clients or patients. That will be the Recovery Lounge. And finally, a dedicated space where your structured courses live, your academy. And the beauty of this setup is that everything connects seamlessly. Nothing is scattered. And this is exactly why we are using FluentCommunity. Most tools gives you either community, courses, or payments, but not all three are working together in one system. FluentCommunity brings everything into one place, plus it's lightweight, fast, and everything runs directly on your own server. But more importantly, it gives you full control to build, manage, and monetize your community exactly the way you want. So let me show you how to set this up step by step. To get started, you will need FluentCommunity and FluentCart installed on your WordPress site. I have already set everything up here to save time. But if you are starting from scratch, I have linked a full setup guide in the description. You can follow that anytime. Now, if I go to the portal, you can see it is completely empty, and that's perfect. Because this is your base system, nothing is structured yet, which means you get to design everything exactly the way you want. Let's start by setting up the structure. Go into settings and open space groups. Here we will create 3 main groups. One for the Wellness Hub, where all public spaces live. Another one for the Recovery Lounge for private, paid access. And one more for your academy, where your courses will be organized. Now, this step might seem simple, but it's critical because structure is what separates a random community from a system people actually move through. Now, let's get back to home and build the first layer, the Wellness Hub. Open Spaces and click New Space. You'll have 3 options. Right now, my go-to choice is Space. Give it a title, a slug, and a short description so people instantly understand its purpose. Since this is public, assign it to Wellness Hub. That's how you structure your community from day one. Set visibility so only registered members can view internal data and continue. From here, you can control how the space behaves. You can decide who's allowed to post, control visibility in the sidebar, and hide member counts with just a click. If you are planning to share guides or resources, you can enable a document library with access so everything is available in one place. On top of that, you can control how posts and comments are sorted, so the most relevant information shows up first. Next, choose a layout style depending on how you want your post to appear. And to keep discussions clean and easy to navigate, you can create topics. Just click New Topic, name it something like Basic Guidelines, add a slug, and you are good to go. You can create multiple topics per space and manage them all in one place. And if you want members to select topics while posting, you can enable that too. Then just upload a thumbnail and a featured image to give your space a proper look. Everything looks good, click Create, and the first layer is live. Now let's move to the second layer. If your goal is to build a paid membership community, this is the key step. The setup follows the same steps, but this time the menu group will be Recovery Lounge and set the privacy to private. This is the key difference. Now users cannot access this space unless they are granted access. I'll quickly finish the rest of the setup. Alright, it's ready. Now, when you open it, everything looks identical to the public space. Same structure, same layout. But the access is restricted. Now, this isn't just a community space anymore. It's a gated environment. That's what transformed this from a simple community space into a monetizable asset. And the monetization logic works the same way across spaces and courses. This is why, before we jump into that, let's build the final layer, the academy. When the course module is active, you will see courses in the top bar. Click on the new course and the page with all the details will appear. Add your course title, a slug, add a short description. Then you can include additional details, notes, or instructions to guide your learners properly. Then assign it to the academy group. Keep the status as draft for now and set the privacy to private. You can go with a custom lock screen, customize the lock screen if needed, but I'll keep the default for now and make sure your paywall is visible. Let's keep the enrollment type structured. Enable comments so learners can interact and hide the student count to keep things simple. For layout, I'll go with the modern style and upload a thumbnail to make the course look more polished. The next step is where you shape the actual content. You can add as many sections as you need to organize your lessons and even schedule them if needed. Then comes the core part. Click on Add Lesson and you can easily give a title and continue to add course materials. To craft a perfect lesson, you can use the full power of Gutenberg blocks. If you need to add video or audio, FluentCart handles it smoothly. You can also attach PDFs and resources. And before you make anything live, you can preview the lesson to make sure everything is spot on. Let me quickly finish this setup, and if this breakdown is helpful so far, make sure you are subscribed to WPManageNinja for more tutorials like this. Alright, the course is ready, lessons, questions, everything is structured. Now let's publish it. Now we're at the final step, monetization. At the top, you will see Add Paywall. This is where FluentCommunity connects with Fluent Cart, so you can sell your course or membership at different tiers. So when you click on Search Product, you will see all the products you have already created. If one of them fits your course or membership, select it and done. If not, create a new one right here on the spot. Name your product, set your price, and hit Create. And that's enough for selling your courses. But if you are planning to offer different tiers like courses with additional guidance or lifetime tutor support, don't worry. Click on the three dots, go to Edit, and now you are inside Fluent Cart. Start by adding a short description, then go a bit deeper with a long description. Explain what people actually get when they join. You can also add images to make it feel more premium. Earlier, we set a single price, but now we are going to switch these to variations. And instantly, you will see new options appear. From there, you can easily add as many pricing based on your requirements in seconds. With that, our space, course, and monetization are set. It's time to see how this all works together. Once you open a space, you can start adding members directly from your WordPress site. And if someone isn't on your site yet, you can send them an invite link in seconds. Once they join, you can welcome them, share valuable healthcare tips, and even offer one-on-one support through real-time chat. You can also reward active members with badges. And the best part, you don't need to monitor all of this manually. The leaderboard automatically tracks engagement and highlights your top contributors based on their active participation. Within just a few days of setup, this system can already start running on its own. Members joining, engagement tracking automatically, and your courses becoming the central revenue points inside your WordPress dashboard. And let's not forget about courses. They are fully integrated into this system. You can sell them directly from your community and turn your expertise into a consistent, scalable income stream. And this is the shift. You are no longer just sharing healthcare advice online, you are building a structured education and support system. One that you own, one that you control, and one that can grow into a sustainable income stream. Because when your expertise is structured into a system like this, you don't chase attention anymore. You build authority, trust, and long-term value. So if you want to stop posting content and start building a real system, FluentCommunity and FluentCart are linked in the description. And if you're building something similar, Drop your niche in the comments. I'll reply you with feedback on your setup. And for more WordPress system breakdowns like this, make sure you are subscribed.